Opening a blind box series. This is the Nommi Loveliness Never Dies, or never ends. I don't know why I said dies, but I got this box series. I got all of them in the collection. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, and then there's a 7th secret rare, which has like a 1 in 72 chance. So the chance of getting the super rare is pretty hard. I'm just, you know, I'll be excited if I get the super rare, but I really like the black cat with the pink and the white and pink one. I also really like these like other colors, but I feel like my handbags that I'm gonna put them on would really fit the black and white and pink one. So I have like a bunch of different handbags. I got this like black one I feel like would fit the black cat one, and then I have like these Vivienne Westwood ones that would also fit the pink and black one. So a lot of my like aesthetic is like pink and black. So I also have this blue, not blue, it has like a blue kind of chrome to it, but this is a white with like a green blue shift handbag, which I feel like white would fit, or like blue or green would fit honestly with this one. And then this is the one that I've just like banged up and I've had for years, my pink CC bag. I already have like a bunch of charms on some of these bags. So this one I have like Hello Kitty. Let me see, I have another Hello Kitty girl. I got my Melody, and I got my first Labubu. So I don't know if I want to keep my green Labubu on this one, but we'll see. We might switch it up. For the black one, for my black CC bag, I have just Karomi and a black bow Hello Kitty. So I have 2 Karomis, but I like to kind of color coordinate with the bags. So yeah, like for the white one I have just like Cinnamoroll. I like to color coordinate. I think it's like really cute to be matchy. So yeah, this is my first time actually doing a blind box unboxing series. So I'm just gonna open this for you guys, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when you open it, because I know when you open it, I have a butter knife by the way. When you guys open stuff like this, it's like actually meant to be opened in like display, like a display setup, because of all the blind boxes are typically sold separately. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. I got this off, I think I got it off either Amazon or Kika Goods, I forget, but I'll put it in the thing below. So pretty much what you do is I think you are supposed to make it pop up like this. Oh, I hope I don't break it. Oh, I think I got it. I've never done it. Do you see how it like pops up? Actually really excited. So I'm gonna be opening these for you guys. I'm also like gonna try to make TikToks with this, so if you see me looking a certain way, trust me, I'm looking at my phone. So all right, so I'm trying to see the first box I want to open from this series. I'm gonna pick the front middle, to be honest. This is what the box looks like, and it's really cute. It's all pink. These are all the different kinds that you can get. I really want this one and this one, like these two. The pink one's also really cute, but I really like these two. So let's see what we get. Oh, I love like doing the opening like this. It's so satisfying. Ooh, okay. I can't look because they sometimes have spoilers in these, and I'm gonna try to open it and like not look at any card or anything and just open the bag. This is what the bag looks like. It's actually pretty big, I'm not gonna lie. And it says Nommi right here, and then it says Loveliness Never Ends. So I'm just gonna open it. Oh my gosh, so excited. I feel like a little girl. Oh, I got the pink one. Wait, the pink one is so cute. And you can actually rotate their eyes. I don't know if you guys can know this. So like you can change her eyes. Oh my gosh, I don't know which ones I like. I kind of like the, oh, this one's cute too. Wait, they like change a lot. There's like, I think 3 different eyes. I don't know, but they're cute as hell. Look at her. She's supposed to be like, I think like a piggy. She's like a little snout. She's super cute. Let's open more. All right, so the next box I'm gonna pick is, I'm gonna pick the back. Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna pick this one on the left, the one closest to me. I've heard to show the key ring on the other one. You can attach it to your purse or anything, and it comes with like key rings and stuff. So I'm trying not to look, because I've been spoiled with blind boxes before looking in there, so I don't look anymore. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. Oh, I already saw it. It's the blue one. Oh, she's so, oh, her eyes are not. She okay? This is me after a long weekend. I'm gonna fix her eyes. Ooh, they're so cute. She's so soft too. I think this one's supposed to be a bear, like a snow bear or like a polar bear. We changed her eyes. I'm gonna show you all her eyes. Oh, she's so cute. And she comes with a little tag here, and then you could put her on your bag or backpack or whatever. I think this one came with a ring, right? It's in the box somewhere. Yeah, it is. Oh, and then the card. The card is so cute. I forgot to show the other card. But look at her. She's so cute. Alright, I'm gonna open more. We're gonna open another box. So we got so far the blue one. I think we got the pink one. And then, yeah, just the blue and pink so far. So let's see what this one is. I'm gonna rip her open. It's so satisfying to rip these open, guys. I could be ripping them all day. Try not to look. Try not to look. Because there's a card in there and I got spoiled. I'm gonna try to like really look away this time. Oh, wait. I didn't rip it right. This is like opening Pokemon cards. Oh, wait, she's so cute. Is she like a little lamb? She looks like a little lamb, right? Oh my god, she's so cute. Look at her and her eyes. And you can turn her eyes too. Oh my god, they're so cute. And I love like the little makeup or details they have for her. Like, she's so cute. Like, look at her. I'm like obsessed, honestly, with the series. It's one of my favorites. The black and pink one is the one I want the most, so I'm hoping, I'm like manifesting I can get that in the series. Alright, we're gonna open another one from the Nommi Loveliness series. We have 3 left, and I'm really hoping to get the black and pink one because black and pink are my favorite colors. You guys know what it is, so I'm gonna try to open the one on the far left. So we have the one in the back middle and the one in the left middle. I'm gonna pick the far right, back right. I'm gonna hopefully, if I get a secret rare too, that would be actually pretty cool. I don't know what the secret rare looks like, so I'm gonna either go look at it after or like put a picture of what the secret rare looks like on the video for you guys. Because is this one? Is this the black one? Oh my god, it's the black one! Wait, no, because she's so... Oh, her eyes, girl. There you go. Her eyes. Oh, she's so cute. She's a black and hot pink cat. She's so cute. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. I love her eyes too, like the glitter. The glitter eyes and the makeup for this series is absolutely stunning. And I'm just like obsessed with them. Like, they are so, so cute. Yay! Okay, so we're in the second to last box in this series. I'm gonna pick the one that came in the far left, like the back left. So far we have the black one, we have the blue and pink one, and the sheep, the white one. So we're only missing 2, and there is a chance to have a secret rare. So we might not, if we get a secret rare in the set, we will be missing one of the other ones in the set, so we'll see. I really don't know what the secret rare looks like. I don't know what the packaging looks like, of course. It's all pink. It's so cute. And I'm gonna look away. Oh! Oh, is this the... No, this is not a secret rare. It's the brown teddy one. This one is also so cute. Oh my gosh, look at her. She's so cute. Oh, her eyes. I honestly really like the big sparkly eyes, but I kind of like these like dolly looking eyes a lot, where they're just like big dilated pupils, like just very anime like and very cutesy and dolly. It's very, very cute. I really like it. And this one of course comes with a card. I've not been showing you guys the cards, but they're really cute. I don't know what to do with the cards. I might put them in like a little photo album, or like where I put my Pokemon cards and stuff. So, but okay, we have one left. I'm so excited. The last one is, guys, it's either gonna be the purple one or it's going to be the secret rare. So this is the last one in the box. I'm gonna show you guys literally the last one. And what is it gonna be? The last Nommi Loveliness box in the box that I got. So if I don't get a secret rare, that's okay, but I don't know how else you would get a secret rare because the chances are so low. 1 in 72 chance is kind of crazy, but so the packaging, of course, looks like all pink. Gonna tear her up, and let's see what we get. Oh, it's a purple. Okay, so no secret rare, but she's cute. And low-key, I kind of need a purple bag. I don't know. I don't have anything to match with this other than my white bag, so she's so cute, girl. Like, oh my god, she's such a cutie. And this is what she looks like. This is what her card looks like. All of these come with a little ring to hook on your bag, of course, and the ring is gold, so that's what it comes with. But so cute. All my little Loveliness, they're so cute. I don't even know, are they just called Loveliness, or no, they're just called Nommis. They're so cute. And I'm gonna actually put them back in the box here, and I'm gonna pick how to style them with you guys, because that's what I really want to figure out for this, is like how I'm gonna put this in my handbags, because I don't have that many. I have like 4 bags with me right now, and I might have to go bag shopping to figure out how to style these. So we have the brown one. I don't think the brown one's gonna fit with any of my bags, so I actually don't know what to do with it. I might have to get like a brown or like tan bag. The black one for sure. This one is going to fit with my black either Vivienne Westwood bag. I'm thinking of putting it in my VV bag, but I also don't wear this bag too often, so I don't know, I might switch it up with them. And I think this just like low-key, I don't know, it fits my Chanel bag really well, so I might just style it with this bag. And you can style these like so uniquely, by the way. Like, you don't have to get a handbag to style them. You can literally put them on your like clothing. I've seen people style them. Let's see, let's open this. I've seen people style them with literally on their like pants or skirts with a chain. Wait, why am I? Oh, it's like, it's not. Oh, I almost broke it. I was trying to pull it apart, and it's a click. Okay, so I'm supposed to actually click this and then just feed it through the loop. So that's what it looks like. And I think I really want to put this on this side because this side's full, and I'm gonna put it on the front because I want it to be facing the front. This one's so cute. I might have to get different color bags because they don't match everything. So this side is like Sanrio, and then this side is her. I feel like she might be too big to put on the Vivienne bag. I don't know, what do you guys think? You guys think that it would be too big to fit on this? I think it would be too much, but I might move the Kuromi or one of them to my VV bag or something. But this is what it looks like styled with the black bag. So cute. I feel like the white one would be perfectly styled with the white one. You know what I'm saying? Like, it fits, right? So if it fits, I'm gonna put it in the white bag. It's super cute. I want to collect all these cards. Like, they're so cute. They're so cute. I'm gonna hook it on here. And honestly, I don't really wear this bag too often, but I feel like I should. I think I'm gonna put this on, because this side has cinema roll, and I'm gonna put it on the opposite side. That way it's like kind of not all on one side. I know some people do one side, but I feel like it might be too much. I'm gonna hook it up on the front. Okay. And this is what it looks like. It's really cute. It really suits it, I think. It's perfect. I might put, I don't know if I should put another Nommi on this bag, because I feel like the other pink one or the blue one actually, like this one might actually fit, but I feel like it would be doing a lot. Like, do you guys think it would be doing too much? Oh, her eyes. I feel like I might as well put it on the bag because I don't know where else I would put the blue one, to be honest. I think I'm gonna put it on there because the white one, she only has one other charm than the other Nommi. She only has the cinnamon roll. So I think I'm going to just clip this one. Low-key, I think I might clip it on the cinnamon roll side because cinnamon roll might match this. Let's see. I just think I should put it, I'm thinking. I kind of don't want to put it on the same side, but I also think putting it on the opposite side might be doing too much. I don't know. I'm so indecisive with her. I think she's cute as is, but I'm just like, I don't know where to put all of these. I think I'm gonna just put it on the same side. That means I have to get a blue bag, actually. I'm gonna get a blue bag and then put the blue one on the blue bag because I really like color coding. I just feel like it looks more cohesive, you know? So, put this on there. Okay. Cute. And they have pretty, like, hard faces. So that's that bag. The black bag is full. Now I'm thinking what to do with the pink and the purple and the brown. The brown, I really don't think it's gonna fit on any bag unless I get a brown bag or another pink. The pink bag, she's already full. She got a Labubu on her, so I'm thinking what I'm gonna do with her is I'm just gonna put one. Because there is a pink and the purple one, but I might simply just put one. I feel like she already has a lot of things on her, so. This is what she looks like right now. And she's already kind of doing too much. Like, so I'm thinking putting her on this side or something. The pink one. I think it fits. It's actually so hot today, so if you guys see me in this video sweating, don't judge me, okay? It's like 80 something. It's humid today too. It's humid and it's like hot. I don't like it. But we're gonna take the pink Nommi. I actually don't know if these guys have names. I didn't check the box. Wait. What if she has like a legit name and I just don't know because I just be playing too much? I'm just too excited. Forgot their names, you know? Oh, she's cute. I like her. It's a little bit much. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little much. But we're extra. And that reminds me, let me look at the box and look at their names. Oh, the pink one, her name is Juju. Oh, they're so cute. Mimi, Nini, Cute, Tutu, Bin, and Juju. They have a bunch of names. I literally didn't care about their names until I was like, wait a second. Don't they have names? I think the purple one I might actually put on my Vivienne Westwood bag to do like a pink purple kind of vibe. Because this pink, oh, she kind of damaged. But this pink is more of like a brighter pink than my other Chanel bag. So what I'm thinking is I might actually put this one here, so it's more of like when I want a pop of color kind of outfit. Yeah, I don't think I could put the purple one anywhere else. And I don't know if I would really get a purple bag, to be honest. With the purple one, what was her name? Tutu. We're gonna put Tutu on my pink Vivienne. She will, I think she fits. They're not the same color, obviously, but the vibes match, you know. It's a bright color. I was also thinking of putting the black and pink one here, but I just feel like I prefer on my black bag. But she's cute. We love her. So that's my Nommi unboxing and styling. I'm honestly so happy with my pulls. I mean, I was guaranteed to get all of them anyways, but I just like love opening blind boxes a lot, so this was a lot of fun. And I kind of want to do more content like this in the future. So maybe I'll open more blind boxes. I do have a bunch of blind boxes actually from Miniso, so I have yet to open those, so maybe I'll open those. But this was a lot of fun unboxing, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!